Folks, good evening. Kevin McClenahan here at kevinmcclenahan.com in San Diego. Tonight we're taking a look at Ranksnap. We're going to do a review and take a look inside of this SEO and ranking software. It's got much more though. As I dive inside this product, we'll take a look at how non-SEO guys like me rank for hard keywords on page 1 of both Google and YouTube and stay there for years. Ranksnap lets you rank on any video or website or local business with zero experience. You could charge $250 to $500 monthly for clients to help them with their SEO and ranking services. New signal technology that prevents your rankings from dropping. So if you're an internet marketer, someone that's trying to make money online, or if you're just a local business trying to rank your local website. New local tech that builds citations and ranks businesses on Google Maps faster than anything else. Get 100% free traffic from absolute scratch, and it works even if you've never tried SEO in your life. It's stupid simple, visual interface, just fill in the blanks. So if that's something that you folks are interested in, then stick with me because I'm going to dive into the product. And there are demo videos down below as well. There's a Ranksnap video here as part of my bonus page. And if you scroll down, then I've also included a Signal Snap demo as well. Okay, inside the members area, it's a pretty straightforward platform. Dashboard, projects, there's Signal Snap is here. And click on this bonus link and it comes up with all of the bonuses that the vendor are giving us to give to you folks. SEO keyword mastery, blog post, WordPress SEO 101, native advertising exposed, review blogging, content management, easy online income, keyword research, WP in content pop-up pro, WP copyguard, and backlinks warrior software. So it's a huge bonus package for you folks. As well, I've included custom bonuses for you folks. I made them specifically for you. And at any time during the video, you can click on the link below this YouTube video and it'll take you right straight through to my bonus page and just scroll down and click on any of these red links. And this will take you straight to the sales page. Let's take a look at that. Okay, and it'll take you through to the sales page and just scroll down and click on any of these red links. It'll take you through to secure checkout via JVZoo. Okay, you'll get an email confirmation and you just log into your account and up at the top right-hand corner, it'll say access your purchases and you just click on the green link in the receipt page and it'll take you right straight through to your purchase. Once you click on that green link, it'll take you to this thank you page, Ranksnap 3.0 Pro version, step 1, it just walks you through the steps, okay? Step 1, right, please reserve my seat in the webinar that teaches us how to use the software and how to land local clients for $500 per month. As well, there will be some tutorials on how to use the software. Step 2, here's how to access Ranksnap and all of its features, right? So it just walks you through, just completely. So these guys have taken the guesswork out of it. They want you to get in, access your software, and start using it right away. Okay, log into Ranksnap here, submit a support ticket, send us an email, right? Step 3, Magic Indexer, download here, right? Fast action bonuses, the webinar, full commercial rights, tactical backlinks method, all right? So the developers want you to start using this product right away so that you can start getting rankings right away. Step 4, upgrades, right? Extractor. Okay, so not only have the developers of Ranksnap put together some cool bonuses for you folks, I've also put together some awesome bonuses that are special just to my affiliate link. And to find that affiliate link, and to purchase this product at any time during this review, all you've got to do is scroll down into the description section of this YouTube video and click on my bonus link. It'll say access this product and all my bonuses. That'll take you through to my bonus page. You just click on any of these red links and it'll take you through to the sales page and then you can check out there, okay? So in the meantime, bonus number 1, build urgency in your offers, Urgency Suites Pro, all right? Bonus number 2, quick profitable campaigns with 0-hour workdays, fast promotions using Ranksnap. Bonus number 3, incognito. So for those of you that are not comfortable in front of the camera, this helps you to make a good affiliate living without getting in front of the camera. That's incognito. Okay, bonus number 4, a complete A to Z launch jacking campaign walkthrough. It's a 4-part video series on how to set up a professional affiliate campaign A to Z walkthrough. Bonus number 5, exclusive access to 1K auto funnel payday system. So once you're ranking and getting traffic and top views on YouTube or your website, then this will help you to, or any funnels that you're offering, then you might as well start offering high ticket item. And this is a 1K high ticket funnel. It's already set up for you and ready to go. Okay, that's bonus number 5. Bonus number 6, how to explode your YouTube channel. Now, I've gotten such great feedback from customers who have bought products from my affiliate link where I've included this bonus. It's a module on how to grow your YouTube channel, and it also includes 4 surprise bonus modules. So I think you'll really enjoy that and find it useful. And from what I'm getting in the feedback on emails is that it's been a real game changer for people. If you ever have questions about my bonuses or about anything about this product, setting up, getting support, whatever, then you can always reach out to me at kevin@sdmarketguru.com. That's Kevin at SD, like San Diego, Market Guru, GURU.com. Okay, great. And bonus number 7 is access to all the vendor bonuses. And let's look at those bonuses again. Okay, again, these are all the vendor bonuses here. All right. Okay, when you get into the members area, there are 5 steps of instructions. Let's take a look at those 5 steps. Step 1, choose your target. Local rankings, video rankings, or website rankings. Step 2, drop dead simple visual backlink strategy builder. I highly recommend that you watch the demo video that I've included here in this bonus crate. Scroll to the video, it's about 8 minutes long. Tom runs you through completely every step along the way of what from choosing your target to setting up the visual backlink strategy builder. And then step 3, fill in the blanks and prepare for rankings. Good. Step 4, activate the machine or schedule any time that you want. All right. So you don't have to push go then. You can schedule it maybe when a launch is happening or something like that. You can get all your systems set in place and backlinks ready to go. So all you do is push go or schedule the machine when you want it to start backlinking. Pretty cool. Okay, so step 5, once you're ranked, how do you maintain that ranking? And secure your rank with our new Signal Snap technology, which makes your rankings stick. And there's a video below with the Signal Snap demo on how that's used. Okay. So again, at any time during this review, you can just click on these red buttons and it'll take you through to the sales page. Okay. And secure checkout. Ranksnap comes in a special cloud-based version, which includes everything that you need to rank like a lunatic every time. New Signal Snap technology to make your rankings stick to beat your competition. New local features that create citations that rank local businesses on Google Maps. It's also known as GMB or Google My Business, 1,000% faster than any other form of ranking. Ranksnap will automatically do everything a human SEO professional will do, only far cheaper, faster, and on autopilot. Okay, sounds pretty good. Okay, if that's something that you're interested in, the timer runs out in 3 days. I don't want you to miss out on this offer. So just click on the links below in the description section and it'll take you right through to the checkout page. Okay. Okay. Let's take a look at that funnel now. Okay. So during the launch period, you'll be able to pick up this product and all of my free bonuses with the front end purchase. Okay. Here we are. Here's the funnel, the prices and the upsells. The front end product is $37 to $47, depending on when you pick it up during the launch. So the front end gets you safe links. Get the safe links you need for page 1 rankings. Create accounts and publish content to 150 social profiles at once. Ranksnap is a fast, secure automation tool to submit content to the top social media networks. Use Ranksnap to save time, automate your website's content, and engage your followers. Plus, with our new citation builder and fixer, you can now rank local businesses at more prominent places in and all around your area. Local businesses pay 3 to 4 figures per month for a service like this. Front end light gives you 5,000 credits. The front end gives you 10,000 credits, right? I went for the front end product, and if I need to recharge those credits, it's $7 per 1,000 credits. So that's pretty inexpensive going forward. Includes status update, bookmarks, blogs, and videos, okay? Upgrade number 2, traffic extractor, $47. Quickly find profitable keywords with little to no competition that you can quickly rank for and get traffic fast, okay? It saves you countless hours when compared to trying to find this money keywords manually. Find multiple keywords at once with the click of your mouse. Get high quality traffic that actually converts within minutes. Awesome. Okay, upgrade number 3, Content Snap. If you've been marketing online for more than a few years, you probably heard people saying content is king. And for high quality backlink building, you always need to use unique content. If you're trying to plagiarize or copy somebody else's content, then you're going to get penalized by Google. All right. So there's a content spinner in here so that mistake can never happen. Okay. To get unique content, you might follow these methods. Write many articles for yourself, but that's very time consuming. Pay someone else to write new articles for you, but that can be really expensive. You could reuse somebody else's PLR content, but again, you're going to get penalized by Google for plagiarism or copying duplicate content. And number 4, instead, use our content creator module. It automatically creates plus spins articles literally for any niche. It's a push button module, and in 5 seconds, it'll create unique articles for you. Enter your keyword, select a niche, and click create article button. It's that simple. Okay, that's Content Snap, and I think that's well worth it for $37. Upgrade number 4, Ranksnap Professional. It's $47 a month. It's for serious SEO professionals. If you need more power, this is for you. It's a monthly plan. It gives you, for $47 a month, it gets you 10,000 credits. For $67 a month, it gets you 20,000 credits. Or you can just prepay for the year. It's $397 and you get 20,000 credits per month. At any time during your membership, if you feel like you need to upgrade your membership, then it's super easy to do on the platform. So here are some key benefits that you might be interested in, right? Anyone can do this, get fantastic results. SEO is an easy way to get free targeted traffic. Zero budget, no ads, none of that stuff, no captchas, no spinners, nothing like that. No technical skills required at all. Unlimited potential. How many visitors is your niche getting on Google and YouTube? Probably millions. So long-term backlinks that stick for months and years. This is all covered by a 30-day money-back guarantee. All right, so if this sounds like something you're interested in, okay, if you want to access this product and all of my free bonuses and all the vendor bonuses, you'll want to do that before the countdown timer hits 0. When it does, this launch special pricing, as well as my free bonuses, will go away, and I wouldn't want you to miss out on that, okay? So just click on the link below, and we'll see you in the members area. Take good care now. I'm Kevin McClenahan in San Diego at kevinmcclenahan.com. Take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.